Alright guys, so it was just here a regular day at the shop. We have this clean LS swapped OBS. We ended up doing a 430 gear Eden True Check on the diff. We swapped the transmission with one of our built stage 1 4060s. These are good for like about, I want to say 500 horsepower. We've been having really good luck with them for all the stuff we do on them. So in case y'all looking for a transmission, let us know. We do have them ready for pickup, installed. So whatever you're looking for, and we do have them for more power setups. We did also you can see it from here, a triple disc billet converter. We're running new AN lines from the transmission to the front. We just need to mount the we're gonna put a transmission cooler on it just to make that transmission last for a long time. So yeah, we need to lower it down and do a little bit of trimming so we can put that cooler in front of the condenser between the grill and the condenser basically. So that's pretty much our regular day here. We are finishing up. We had to pull the motor on that 2017. Had a bad lifter failure. We had to fetch out all the little needle bearings. We're finishing up that Pro Charge Sierra, the 6.0 Pro Charge dual trans converter fuel system. The truck was already had a Pro Charger, but it came with a bad motor. We swapped the motor and we're going through the whole truck, fixing everything. And then that's our cleaning our transmission center right now. So yeah, pretty much our regular day here. We're here till sadly till 2-3 in the morning working sometimes. So yeah, so we should be finishing this one up tomorrow. And the plan is tomorrow to knock this one out, finish up the cooler, turn on that Sierra, and then bring that 150 in the shop. We have a couple things we need to fix before Truck Nationals. That is next Saturday. Yeah, we're almost about a week away. So we gotta address some issues and some things I want to fix. And I know I've said it a lot of times, but we want to get that 8 next Saturday, and also the other gray 150 we built. He's gonna be out there too, and probably we're gonna probably take the OBS, and the OBS, the white OBS, the one you seen on the previous video. They made 540. We are changing the whole setup on it as far as the top end, so we're changing. Stay tuned for that.
Stay tuned for that video on that.
Yeah, so yeah, I guess you guys can learn from this too, where what a stock casting head is limited to an aftermarket casting, and then we're gonna see back-to-back comparison. So on the next videos, you'll see what we do different, and the goal is to make. It might sound crazy, but another 120 horsepower, just with the same block, just changing a little bit on the setup, and I think we will be able to do it. And so yeah, we probably go run it tomorrow, Baytown, and then that way we have a baseline of what the truck runs as is, and then change the setup, and then go run it again, see what the difference was. So that's pretty much it. I'm cleaning up. Probably go home early today, and it's 12 o'clock. Early. So yeah. Oh, it's the boy.
Give me my water.
Push. This man's on fire. Stay tuned for next videos for Truck Nationals for next week. And other GTO también. The GOAT. Yeah, we're doing another A&A setup on the GTO. So we'll see what kind of numbers we put down. Finishing up Alexa's NA setup. Can't say what it has. What we're doing. We're going to make a lot of power. Anyways. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That ends this video. Comment, like, subscribe. Yeah, stay tuned for upcoming events. Where we're at, we're gonna go to an event this Saturday to what's it called?
Street something.
Texas Streetcar something.
Dallas.
Towards Dallas. So we're gonna go tomorrow, but they rescheduled, and wow.
Good thing you'll be ready for the reschedule.
Yes. I was gonna make it happen somehow, but
You're gonna break a record that April 2nd. Just leave it like that.
wait, April 2nd, huh? Wait, what's today? January, February. So world's fastest 10-speed F-150. Just not in general F-150. There's fast. I'm guessing there's faster F-150s out there, but yeah, we should be. I think the record is 8.5s, and we should go much faster than that. That's all I'm saying. I don't like to say too much, but once we're there, I'll probably do a little more explaining. So that's pretty much it, and stay tuned. We have a